Today, we're unboxing the SureCall Fusion4Home. This is our most popular and most reviewed home signal booster, which is also known as a wireless repeater because it takes a boosted cell signal and repeats it to another area. This particular version of the Fusion4Home comes with an omnidirectional external antenna and whip-style omnidirectional internal antenna. Let's go ahead and dig inside to see what everything looks like. To start, we have the usual documentation, including a pamphlet for professional installation. There's also a quick installation guide and a question card with SureCall's contact information. Onto the hardware, we have our whip-style internal antenna. This is omnidirectional, meaning it will broadcast the boosted cell signal in every direction. It has a male connector and bends at a 90-degree angle. Next up is the external antenna, which is approximately 9.5 inches tall and made of fiberglass. It comes with mounting hardware for attaching to a pole, as well as a wall bracket for attaching to the side of your home or office. For easy self-installation, you may refer to the installation guide in the box. This antenna is using a F-type female connector. Moving on, we have our amplifier, which has some heft to it. Upon opening its box, we have stickers with the amplifier's serial number. These are for easy reference after the amplifier has been installed. The power supply here is a standard plug that requires a 110-volt AC outlet for power. Next, we have mounting hardware for attaching the amplifier to a wall, for example. Finally, we have the amplifier. With a max gain of 72 decibels, you can normally boost your cellular signal within 1 to 2 average size rooms. However, if you find you're getting interference on any bands, you may use these blue dials on the front to decrease the gain. That will in turn decrease your coverage area, but may help provide a stronger signal. On the back side of the amplifier are its informational labels, including the serial number. For the connectors, there is F female for the outside antenna side, and then we have N female for the inside antenna side. Also on this side is the power switch and power port, which can accept between 5 and 15 volts of power. The last item in our Fusion4Home kit is the cable. Our G6 cable is a bit more flexible in comparison to other types, making it an ideal choice for the outside connection. This cable uses F-male ends to connect the external antenna to the amplifier. Note that you can purchase alternative exterior and/or interior antennas to increase your coverage if you find the Omni and whip antennas are not sufficient. Ask our team for assistance in selecting the appropriate hardware. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the Fusion4Home Omni Whip Kit. If you're interested in more videos like this, we welcome you to subscribe to our channel.